Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for assembling a Cali raised bed rack on a Toyota Tacoma. I've included the product links in the description below, make sure to check it out. And I'm posting weekly videos, so please subscribe to my channel for more content. Alright, let's get into it.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project. Cali raised Overland bed racks are designed, laser cut, and welded right here in the USA. The racks are powder coated black and contain 80% aluminum construction to cut down on weight and maintenance, weighing only 55 pounds. It's offered in two lengths, short and long, and 3 different bed heights. This one being the short length and 7-inch short height. We opted for the short height to keep our James Brew tent level with the cab for better aerodynamics, and the shorter rack to allow better truck bed access. The bed rack can be assembled two ways, either on a table then lifted on the bed like we're doing, or assembled on the truck. A washer should also be added to the outside of these brackets.
I think this will be good though, because then you'll be able to reach into the bed and grab things. Because if you had the full length, you wouldn't be able to get in there from the side and stuff. Like if you had stuff in here that you need to reach in and get to.
Okay. I guess we'll see what it looks like.
It's helpful to use a thin screwdriver to help align the T-nuts with the bolts. Don't forget to leave these loose for fitting on the truck.
May need to adjust, like come together. There we go.
Okay. Yeah.
It looks like you need to spin that plate.
You're gonna have to push together at the same time.
Since this is a 6-foot bed, we plan to center the bed rack on the truck. This way we can leave one tie down close to the cab and one in the middle of the rack. There's also an additional tie down on the floor towards the rear of the truck.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh, that's got a nice low profile.
Yeah, it does.
When fitting the rack on the truck, make sure all the hardware is still loose to allow proper adjustment. Make sure the feet are resting on the bed rails when tightening down the feet. Then secure the cross members. Lastly, tighten down the uprights to the feet. These cross members can also be used for through bolt mounting your tent, if not using the crossbar clamp style hardware.
Oh, it's gonna look sick. You happy with your purchase so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. That looks bitchin'.
It's cool.
You still have access to your bed, which is nice. Yeah.
Thank you for watching this how-to video for assembling Cali raised Overland bed rack. As always, I've included the product links in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.